In this video, friends, I will show with you step by step how to check in Singapore Airlines. So guys, all you have to do, this is an official website. Go to Google and search for Singapore Airlines, and this is the first step you need to do. And scroll down, click on this option, check in online advance. When you click this option, guys, you will see two options here: secure booking reference or ticket number. So guys, if you have a last name, write your last name here is in passport, and then click check in, write your ISN on your passport. If you have e-ticket number, click on this one, e-ticket number, write your e-ticket number. This starts with 618 or 629. So guys, write 618 and then complete your ticket number here, and then write your last name for your family and click check in. So guys, this is how you can do it. Is easy steps. I hope this guide helpful for you. Don't forget, give like and give share this video for more content, and see you on another video soon.